Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. Today we are diving into two big payment platforms that many businesses use, Melio and the PayPal. And we are asking which one is the best choice. I will walk you through what each one offers, how they compare, and what might work better for your needs. So don't forget to check the description below for official link and any latest information there. So check that out. Melio is built mainly for business bill pay and invoicing in a very simple way. It launched in back 2018 and it's made for small businesses or freelancers who want to pay or get paid without much fees. You can pay bills by bank transfer, debit, credit card, or even send a paper check through them. So it connects smoothly with QuickBooks or Xero. So your accounting stays up to date. So it has a free plan, and in this plan you can get a handful of free ACH transfer in every single month depending on plan, and the rest of the features are paid and they are not much. And it also supports paying vendors in over around 70 countries through everything settles in USD. PayPal, on the other side, a huge name that's been around since the late 1990s. It serves both individual and business in over 200 countries and handles many currencies instantly. You can send or receive money safely without sharing sensitive account details. And it has tools like invoicing, point of sale system, mobile card readers, or many more. So one of the main difference is cost and speed. With Melio, bank transfer usually take 1 to 3 business days and credit card payments process next day. But you get free ACH transfer depending on plan, which makes it more cost effective. PayPal lets you access your fund instantly in your PayPal balance. Through transferring to your bank may take a few days or cost extra. PayPal fees for transaction range from around 2.3% to 5% or something plus. And in international payment it can add more. So Melio has a lower fees for domestic ACH but charges around 2.9% for card. Now let's talking about user satisfaction. Melio scores well for ease of use and clean interface, especially for managing vendor payments and simple workflow. PayPal has more than 10 times the mind share in its category compared to Melio, and overall user rating is much higher. Though sometimes people mention that customer service is frustrating. Melio gets praise for saving hours, especially integrated with QuickBooks. PayPal is prized for its global reach and strong brand trust. So how to decide? If your business mostly need to pay or receive invoices inside the US and you want something clear, cost-friendly and well integrated with account tools, Melio is a great choice for you. But if you need global payment, multi-currency support, instant access of fund, and a widely trusted brand, PayPal might be more suitable. Some users even use Melio to manage bills and QuickBooks, but they also use PayPal when they need to use in broader capabilities. So that was the comparison in a nutshell. Each one has a strong feature depending on what matters most to you. So please check the description below for the official link and the updated information. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.